The positive number A is 230% of the number B and A is 60% of the number C. If C is P% of B, which of the following is closest to the value of P? Okay, now let me consider this stuff. That is A is equal to 230% of B. Let me consider this one. That is A is equal to 60% of C. Now let's consider this one. That is C is equal to P% of B. Now we have three equations. We can use Desmos to solve this problem further. Okay, let's go to the Desmos, open the square bracket. Now, inside the square bracket, we have to consider the quantities we have on the left side of all the three equations separated by commas. That is A, comma, C. Close the square bracket. Now take tilde sign. Open the square bracket again. Now consider the stuff we have on the right side of all the three equations. In the first equation, we have 230% of B. Comma. In the second equation, we have 60% of C. In the third equation, we have P% of B. Close the square bracket. Here, I got the value of P. The value of P is 383.333. Now, in the given answer choices, we have to get the value which is closest to the value of P over here. So, in answer choice D, we have 383, which is closest to this value, 383.333. So, the correct answer choice for this question is D.